All right. Okay, so let's talk about this. We're going to talk about installing Cocoapods and just the basics. So before we even get started, there is a particular tutorial on online, and you can see it on YouTube. They have a YouTube video, and it talks about installing Cocoapods and using either Gem or Homebrew. I'm going to discuss that, but there's one detail that they leave in that you should never do. Do not ever do this. Sudo, lowercase s, by the way, sudo gem update dash system. I know I have dash system, but the word docs only show one dash system. Never do sudo gem update dash system like they have right here. Why? Because you will mess your system up. I'm going to tell you just like this. You will regret it. I don't know why this person has this in their video. Even now, people have complained, and it's still on there. Do not do that. You will mess your system up. So that being said, let's talk about setting up your system for Cocoapods. Now, there are two ways you can install it. You can use Gem as a dependency manager, and you can use Homebrew as your dependency manager. Gem is already installed on your system, on your iOS system. So all you have to do is do sudo gem install user dash install Cocoapods. And when I say user, it's dash user dash install Cocoapods. Again, Word is not showing the double dashes. Okay. Here, if you and that should by the way, and that should be all you have to do to install Cocoapods. You run pod dash version, and you're in the terminal, and you should get back your Cocoapods version number. That means it's been installed successfully. If you want to do it with Homebrew and manage it from there, you can go to the Homebrew website, https://brew.ish, and this is on the main page. You should copy it. This string right here you can copy it on the main page. Run it in your terminal. Again, you can check to see if the version of Homebrew is installed properly. You brew dash version, and terminal should return a version number. If it's installed, do you do brew install Cocoapods, and that installs your Cocopod setup. You want to double check again. Do pod dash version, not dash version, but dash version. Again, Word is not showing the dash. And that's it for setting up Cocoapods on your machine. On to the next.